Hello everyone, I'm Molly from In Chinese Learning. Very nice to see you again here. Today, I'm gonna share a new story with you. It is called 小壁虎借尾巴. 壁虎 means gecko. 尾巴 means tail. So 小壁虎借尾巴 means a gecko chases his own tail. Are you ready? Now let's begin. A gecko was crawling on the wall to catch mosquitoes. Suddenly, a snake gripped his tail with its teeth. The gecko ran away, but his tail had broken off. I'm so ugly without a tail, the gecko thought. So he decided to borrow a tail. When he saw the fish swinging her tail and swimming merrily in the river, he asked, "Sister fish, can you lend your tail to me?" The fish answered, "I'm sorry, I have to use it for swimming." Then he saw a swallow flying in the sky. He said, "Aunt Swallow, can you lend your tail to me?" The swallow responded, "Sorry, I have to use it when flying." The gecko didn't give up and continued to look for a new tail. However, he failed again and again. He was so distressed that he went back home and told his mother what happened. His mother said with a smile, "My dear, turn around and have a look." Upon tossing his head back, the gecko shouted with joy, "Oh, I have grown a new tail!" That's all about the story. If you like it, you can remember 小壁虎借尾巴. Now please read with me. 小壁虎借尾巴. In this story, we have learned 壁虎 and 尾巴. 壁虎尾巴. Today's teaching is over. Next time, I'll share a new story named 小猴子下山.